In one of the biggest steps in the fight against COVID-19, India has approved the emergency use of two of the vaccine candidates that were under trials in the country. Both Bharat Biotech's Covaxin and Serum Institute of India's Covishield have received emergency use approvals in India and are likely to see a rollout soon. While a plan is already in place when it comes to who should be vaccinated first, people are now confused as to which vaccine candidate should they opt for if given the choice. Here is the difference between the two vaccine candidates. Let's take a look at the makers first. Covishield has been developed by the Oxford University scientists in collaboration with the pharmaceutical company AstraZeneca. In India, its trial was undertaken by the Serum Institute of India, which is also manufacturing the Covishield vaccine for the mass vaccination drive. Covaxin has been developed by the indigenous vaccine developer Bharat Biotech in collaboration with the Indian Council for Medical Research (ICMR). Its trial is in the final stage. How were the two vaccines made? Covishield vaccine has been developed by using the virus adenovirus that causes common cold infections among chimpanzees. Its genetic material is same as that of the spike protein of SARS-CoV-2 coronavirus. Spike protein is the part of SARS-CoV-2 using which the virus enters a human body cell. Covishield vaccine has been developed by using a weakened version of the adenovirus. Covaxin has been developed using dead coronavirus called inactivated vaccine in medical language. Under inactivated state, the virus is not capable of infecting people or replicating on its own inside the body of a person after being injected. But a shot of the vaccine prepares the immunity system to recognize the actual virus and fight it if and when infection happens. How effective are the two vaccine candidates? While Covaxin is still in the final stage of clinical trial and no efficacy rate has been made public for this COVID-19 vaccine, the efficiency of Covishield has been pegged at over 70%. This efficacy rate is far below than the vaccines developed by Pfizer and Biotech and Moderna, but it is above the qualifying efficacy benchmark of 50% set by several countries. Are the vaccines effective against the new COVID strain? As per reports, both the vaccine candidates approved in India are effective against the new COVID strain that is reportedly more contagious than the previous one. In a statement issued by Bharat Biotech, Chairman and MD Krishna Ella said the protein components of inactive Covaxin will take care of mutations. Similarly, AstraZeneca CEO had also said that the vaccine candidate will be effective against COVID-19 mutations, including the newest one found in the UK that has also reached India now. How many doses of the vaccines are administered? Both Covaxin and Covishield are administered in 2 doses. The 2 shots of the Covishield vaccine need to be spaced by 6 weeks. In the case of Covaxin, the interval between the 2 shots has not been yet described by the DGCI, but its developer Bharat Biotech had earlier said the second shot would be given after 14 days. What temperatures do the vaccines need to be stored at? Both Covishield and Covaxin are easy to store as they require to be kept at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Most vaccines commonly used in India are kept at this temperature range. This makes transport and local storage of both COVID-19 vaccines safe and easy for all parts of the country. Pricing. Though currently the government is controlling the vaccination drive against COVID-19 and it is free, different reports have cited different prices for both the vaccines. The Covishield vaccine is reported to cost the government around Rs 400 to 450 or Rs 200 to 225 per dose. The pricing of indigenously developed Covaxin is not clear yet. However, some reports say Bharat Biotech has priced its COVID-19 vaccine at Rs 350. What about the safety? In the backdrop of reports questioning safety of the vaccines, the DGCI has said both Covishield and Covaxin are 110% safe. Some side effects like mild fever, pain and allergy are common for every vaccine. The vaccination plan. The government aims to vaccinate 30 crore people by July, defining them as priority population. They include frontline health workers, essential duty personnel, and vulnerable sections of population. The first batch of 3 crore people will be given the shots of COVID-19 vaccines by March. Vaccination will be done through registration on CoWIN, the digital platform developed by the government agencies to facilitate and monitor the drive against the COVID-19 pandemic.